Test drive the 2014 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.